welcome back to my channel. You will have just seen the makeup tutorial for this look, hopefully, or you will see it right after this because anyway, I have a makeup haul for you today, as if that's anything new for me. I went kind of big during the month of February. I went to Ulta, Sephora, MAC, and a drugstore. MAC recently had their palettes on sale, which are their times 15 palettes and their times 9 usually go for about $40 and these go for $85. These are actually worth $160 and these have a more complicated price per ounce because they're smaller pans and there's less product. Worth a lot more than $40. So I got this one. This is Burgundy times 9 and it's got all sorts of really pretty burgundy colors. Okay, I'm gonna try to put these swatches up on my blog. Got this one for $32, which was a really good deal. And then the second one I got was the MAC times 15 warm. So it's this one right here. It's got really pretty golden tones. It's got some of my favorites like Amber Lights, that gorgeous cup. So I don't know exactly when the last card stopped recording, but just in case I missed that, this is half red, edge to edge, boldly bare, cultured and deeply dashing pressed pigment. All things that I bought recently. Then I was talking about the Zac Posen lipsticks. I got Dangerously Red, which is this one right here, and then I got Sheer Madness, which is a gorgeous pink shimmer. It's very nuanced, it's very pretty, and it looks really nice over a nude pencil. You can barely see it. Got a couple from Flamingo Park, if I can find them. So I got Silly, which I actually backed to MAC for. So this is going to be Silly here. That's Silly lipstick. And then I also got the Fashion Flock. This one was an online exclusive. The Fashion Flock. So it's Silly and the Fashion Flock. Then also from Flamingo Park, I picked up the nail polish. This is called Spoonful of Sugar, and it's what's chipping on my nails right now, but it's really pretty. It's a really pretty polish. It's got kind of purple and pink sparkles and big chunky pastel pink glitter. Color, I'm gonna swatch it right here. So that's Viva Glam Ariana Grande. Looks a lot like Instigator. So if you're thinking of getting Instigator, get Viva Glam Ariana Grande instead because it's for charity and you're gonna love it. And then this is a lip gloss. This is a lip gloss, very nice and sheer and pretty, and it looks really pretty over the lipstick. Yay! The stick never really worked out that well for me and I hated it. It was so bad. It was so bad. It made me look so cakey and it had medium coverage at best. And it was just it was a mess. I didn't like it. And then I also picked up Lolita 2, which is more of a, I think they call it a terracotta color, and it does have that kind of orange tone, like burnt rose type of cast to it. That's this one up here. That is Lolita 2. And then this is Lenu. These were sent to me by Influencer, which is a subscription blogging program. You can basically just sign up for it, and based on the number of followers you have and based on what kind of content you post, they'll send you different packages to review. So they sent me 3 of the new Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche lipsticks. I got Gazpacho, and I'll swatch them as I'm going. Gazpacho is a really nice neutral red. Doesn't lean too warm or too cool, and might pull either way depending on the undertones on your skin. The sun's coming out, so it's gonna make me look orange. No, it's actually not. Pepper, which is a really nice neutral mauve-y, leaning a little bit brown pink. And then Beetroot, which is a gorgeous, I thought it was similar to Rebel lipstick, but it's really not. It's a true berry shade. Gazpacho, pepper, and beetroot. So you can see they're very creamy, they're very pigmented. I want to thank my friend Vanda, or Miss Viggity, on Instagram. I'll link her channel down below. She sent me this, she had an extra Sauce Box Temptation palette, I think. Yeah. So this is like insanely bright and right up my alley. And I actually did a look with it like as soon as I opened it because it was so cool, and I might record that a little later on because it was just really nice. So the colors that you see here are Orange Sun, Aquarama, Yellow, like yell, oh, and Mermaid. So Orange Sun and I think, yeah, Orange Sun and Mermaid both have shimmer in them. Actually, let me just take you on a ride here. They're so pigmented, you guys, like, Yellow is a little patchy, but it's not like unworkable. So that's Orange Sun. This is Aquarama, Yellow, and Mermaid. Super pretty, super smooth mattes. And I can't wait to work more with them because they look really exciting. And I love me some bright colors. So I can't wait to keep working with those. And thank you, Vanda. That was really nice of you to think of me. You guys, I don't want you to judge me because I'm a grown woman who changes her mind about things. Well, these were actually not me, but technically because I have them now. Like for Valentine's Day, my boyfriend actually gifted me 2 of the Kylie lip kits. He got me Dolce K and Posy K. And I know I talked shit about them on Instagram because I'll say this first. They're a great formula and they're super pretty colors, and I love everything about the product itself. I just hate the fact that technically all of the money my boyfriend paid for these, the tip just fell out of that. All of the money that my boyfriend paid for these went to a teenager who just basically, I mean, does nothing. You know what I mean? Like, obviously she's profitable, but the fact that she's getting paid and she's getting money and she's making this huge profit off of something that wasn't even her doing. Like the reason she got so much hype over her lipstick and so much hype over her look was because her makeup artist did a good job. You know what I mean? But she's the one that's capitalizing on that makeup artist's created image on her face. Yes, it's technically her canvas, it's her face, but she basically got famous for a look that a makeup artist created. But soapbox aside, these are fantastic. They're wonderful, they're long wearing, they don't come off, they don't rub off. They're really, really nice. So this is Dolce K and then the liner, and this is Posy K and the liner. Posy K is my favorite because it's such a pretty pink. It just goes with anything. It looks good no matter what type of makeup you're wearing. I could put it on right now and it would match. It would be perfect. So I'm really happy with those. Actually, after trying these, I actually ordered Coco K on my own. So see, and then final place I went to, actually got a little mini birthday gift from Sephora. This is the Marc Jacobs Remarkable Lip Gel, or Le Marc lipstick in Kiss Kiss Bang Bang. So it's a really pretty, just neutral pink, little warm, little red. I'll be right with you, baby. I'll be right there, cutie pie. It's not time for your walk yet, is it? Oh, it is time for your walk. Okay, I'll walk you in a second. Okay, and just because she needs to be walked now, apparently. I'll be right there, cutie pie. Give me a minute. Give me 1 minute. Just 1 minute. I'll be right there. I picked up 2 concealers from NYX because I ran out of my correctors. So I picked up Pale, which is a really light pink toned concealer. And then I picked up Green because, like I said, I've been breaking out a lot. I don't know if I've even mentioned that, but I have. I've been breaking out a lot. And so I wanted something to kind of neutralize blemishes whenever I have them. I'll be right there. So this is light pink, or just it's called Pale. And then this is Green. And okay, so secondary source, here you go. There's Phoebe sitting like a person. What are you doing? What are you doing, cutie? I know. Okay, anyway, let's wrap this up, shall we? I also picked up a new IT Cosmetics brush. This is the number 110. It's a flat top, flat kabuki. Nothing too special about it, but it's really soft and I really like their brushes. I got this to try out. I'm still wondering if I should do like a full video on it or if you just would rather not. This is the L'Oreal Lumi True Match Lumi Cushion Buildable Luminous Foundation, and I got the color N3.5. We'll see how that matches. And then I picked up a nail polish from OPI's new, I think it's like a Mardi Gras themed collection, and this is called Take a Ride on Bourbon. Really pretty metallic shade, kind of like a pewter, but it's got a little bit of purple when you tilt it. And then I got five of the new NYX Lingerie Liquid Lipsticks. They're right here. So I'm wearing Baby Doll right now. That is on my lips. So I'm gonna try to swatch these real quick because I have to walk the dogs. Okay, so this is Baby Doll, Push Up, Ruffle Trim, Embellishment, and Teddy. It's all 5 of them. And they're nice, except they've got a bit of a rubbery feel once they've dried down. So you can't take them off just by rubbing them off like you can on some liquid lipsticks, which is kind of frustrating when maybe part of it has worn off and the other part hasn't, and you're just trying to get all of it off so you can reapply. It doesn't work like that. You kind of have to get a makeup remover or get some oil or get something and take off the whole thing. So that was my huge ass makeup haul that won't be happening again for a while probably. Let me know what you thought. Let me know what products you're kind of curious about and want to see. Have anything that you would like to see me do? Let me know, because I would honestly love to see your suggestions, and I would love to carry them through. So let me know. The Phoebes is demanding that I walk her. I'll be right there. I'll be right there. It's barely 4 o'clock. You go walking at 4:30. We'll see y'all next time. Bye.